door. Gussie. Hey, young thing. Here's the goats. They're still inside. Black and white one's get a kid soon. A couple more weeks or so. But the red and white one, hopefully she's bred, but not due anytime soon. And he's our buck, Scout. He's probably going to move on this spring, ain't you, Scout? He's just a young guy. A year old in March, I believe. So he did a good job for his age. Fresh bedding, fresh horse, fresh water. Some of the dogs are outside of the kennel. We have the barn door open. It's nice today. It's 20 degrees, but it's sunny and it's not too windy, so let's see what's going on in here. Scooch aside, ladies. Where's the bull? Stay in there. Stay in there. One guinea and one scovie. And 4 chickens. They do lay eggs. Oh, yep. I got all kinds of eggs. I forgot to look. Like it. Make things yourself, you know. I used to have a Grand Prix that someone couldn't have stole if it was unlocked and running. Because you had to know how to open the door. Wait there, girls. I'll be back with some warm water. I give them warm water. Ooh, back inside. Winter makes everything overly bright. Puppies. Hey guys. We breed labs. We bred this chocolate. He's one of ours. From our first litter. The yellow we bought. It was my Christmas present, actually. If you're gonna buy a Christmas puppy, buy from a reputable breeder. Somebody that runs genetic testing and does hips, because people say don't buy a Christmas puppy, but it's really dependent on where you get it. There's Knox. She's the black shepherd. Knox is actually for sale. She's out of 2 Czech imports, so not a lot of common blood. And that chocolate right there is Kate. She's our sire's, my main breeding stud. That's his puppy. She's beautiful, but she's an idiot. Right, Kate? They're just outside here for a time. They go back there's a kennel. It's insulated and we run heat in it, so it's not warm, but it's 60 degrees, you know, so not as warm as the house. A little too warm for labs even. They like it a little cooler, but Gussie. Gussie, Gussie. I think his name's Turks. Oh. Hey, Turks. Alright, inside to get hot water. Check on Grandma. Hey, Nels. Hot water is full. Alright, back outside. Open trap door. And once again, the duck will muck it up thoroughly. No, 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 no. Alright. Fix this again. There's always something breaking. Off October when she was. She's 18 years old now. Fatty's a POA. She's 13 hands. She's 16 too. They don't know the difference. Black cow's my Dexter heifer, who may or may not be turned into hamburger. And this guy is my Holstein steer. Still not caught. How we do that for the next few days. We have to spread the hay out like this. Because number one, it's good for them, but number two, he hates cattle. He's old. He gets this blanket to help keep her warm. I can point them out. Dexter, Holstein steer, POA, thoroughbred. She's a big racer. She ran 37, I think, 37 starts. And she won 50 or $53,000. She's had a few foals and they've raced. Some of them I know have. She's 18 years old. She's blind in this eye. She's moon blindness. She's not quite sound. She's got a hitch in her front leg. But for now she's here. We bought her off a kill auction, well, we bought her from a kill buyer, which I never recommend doing, but this one was gonna be mine, and she won't leave here alive. So, and I don't mean that in a terrible way. I mean we won't send her to the auction ever again. She'll be euthanized if needed and when needed, so she can have some dignity. I've tried to contact the people who bred her and owned her, but no luck yet. She raced right here in Minnesota. Born here. This spring I'll have to catch her doing laps. She's done well this winter, so teeth are good. This is the hay barn, and the snow gets in, obviously, through the vents up there. So we're gonna have to feed out a lot of this hay, get it dusted off. But we'll do it first. It's supposed to stay pretty cold the next few days. There's a car back there. Those eggs I found, I put them in my pocket. Probably not the best idea. Now I have to wash my glove. Livestock guardian dog. Also for sale. To the right home. It loves goats. And we may be out of the goat business soon. We will see. We'll see. Be a good girl. Arm porches. Hey, drop it. Good boy. Full of everything. Are you always waiting for me?